Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this iconic silver, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package as well as the Lariat Sport package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that rear park sensing, that nice tow hitch, your nice backup camera right there. We also have mud flaps on rear and front wheel wells, as well as a gripped running board. You have a side view camera, blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5. We do have this nice black perforated leathering, as well as the brown leathering, plenty of door space, a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. We do have brown leathering on the door as well, and of course if you don't need that extra person, you can always fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. We also have 2 cup holders there, 2 heated back seats, a 12 volt, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120 volt right there. And of course if you need more space, you can always fold up the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with the same leathering we saw in the back there. We also have a nice twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Plenty of door room again, the brown leathering on the door, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You have your parking brake there, pedal adjusters, tailgate lights, blind spot detections, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 84 kilometers. We have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main screen there, phone, media, volume, voice, and cruise control there. Now looking at your main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Looking here, you do have a collapsible gear shift with your speed adjusters there, providing you with a fair bit more storage. You do have storage here, and 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad, fair bit of storage with a USB and USB-C, and this does close for you. We have that nice brown leathering on the center console, and this does fold up for a nice workbench. This does open up for a lot of storage, providing you with a USB and USB-C down there. We have heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate, a 12 volt outlet, 120, and if you click this button here, you do get storage there, and in the glove compartment, we do have this nice brown leathering on the dash as well, storage up here. You have your rear axle lock, drive mode, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer assist. For your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and rut, and all the way to the right here, you have tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continuing to look here, you have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction control. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, so you don't get lost, your Fave app, which you can set up however you want, messaging, email, zone lighting, your Wi-Fi hotspot, any apps you may have downloaded, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, features of the vehicle, and so on and so forth. And we have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which we did see earlier, and we do have our rear window opener, which is pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF32561, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.